Hi there. Today we're going to spend 1 minute and 30 seconds to better understand on how to set up a business in France. In other words, how to decline strategic and operational goals in legal structures. You need to wonder, first of all, what your forecast sales are in France, and hence, which resources in terms of premises, people, you need to achieve them. And given the answer to these queries, we will provide you with the appropriate structure. If you just want to collect data from future clients, which entails just hiring an employee working from home, this is a so-called liaison office. Hence, a serial number only is needed. If you want to sell on the French market in the short run, which entails having a warehouse, an office, and or salespersons with a limited power of decision, or if you want to set up a customer call center, which entails having a postal address, official address, or if you want to collect data from French clients, which entails having a bank account, thus a branch is needed. Finally, if you project strong sales, implying large warehouses, offices, and numerous people with an extended power of decision, thus a subsidiary has to be considered. You want to have any further information on how to set up a business in France? Do not hesitate to contact us. Looking forward to seeing you soon. Bye.